Hey guys, right here going to show you how to clean a wheel properly. So let's do some of that. Grab your cleaners, whatever you like, spray it on your tires. Liberally mist your wheels. This is another one, it's a little bit weaker than the other. But that's just to dilute the actual wheel cleaner. And as you can see, it's removing grime. It's removing grime off the wheel. It becomes orange and yellow and disgusting. That's on your wheels and that's how we drive, and that's the hobby. Then you take some of this other stuff and you spread it all over your calipers to paint it nice and pretty. And just let that marinate like some chicken. And then behind the wheel. Then you get your wheel cleaning brush, your barrel brush, and you start scrubbing the wheels. And that's how you properly clean a wheel. As soon as you're done, dry it off, and then if you can, wax it with wheel wax. That's how you properly clean your wheels. We'll get you other shots here in a minute. So if you guys like this material and you'd like us to do more of this, you can let us know in the comments how you guys clean your wheels. If you get a chance, subscribe, which is over there somewhere. And if you have extra time, there's a bell somewhere Chris usually says to hit. Do some of that ding-a-ling stuff. Yeah. Signing out.